4-39b. All right, so we're going to solve this equation now, and we have our rules over here to the left, and it looks like we do have an opportunity, well, we might have an opportunity for combining like terms, but not until we resolve these parentheses, which is number 2. So flipping or using the distributive property. So we've got a negative sign in front of here. So we can go ahead and flip the contents of these parentheses. The positive x becomes a negative x, and the negative 1 becomes a positive 1. And then we can just write the other terms as they appear, and we'll see what we have once we're done with that. Okay, so over here it looks like we have a chance to combine like terms, this negative 4 and the negative x. And so that's going to be negative 5x. And then the 2 and the positive 1, that will be just plus 3. And we'll rewrite the other side. Okay, so now let's look at what else we should do. We need to get the x in one place by adding or subtracting terms. So why don't we move this negative 5? We're adding a positive 5 to both sides. So over here, that means that we'll have 3x, a positive 3x left over, minus 5, and that will be equal to, this zeroes out, and we just have 3 over on this side. All right, so the next thing that we might want to do is get x by itself by removing the constant, which is with it, and this is the constant. Remember, a constant is just a number by itself. So we'll add positive 5 to both sides, and when we do that, we get an 8 on this side. This zeroes out, and what we have on left is 3x. All right, and the last is get x by itself by removing the coefficient of x, which in this case is 3. So we'll divide to get rid of that. And we end up with 3 over 3 is 1. 1 times x is just x. And then 8 divided by 3, let's see, that will go in 2 times with 2/3 left over.